Hello friends, welcome to ASF Tutorials. This is Afnan Pasha. We are going to study the basic experiment in Comsole Multiphysics, that is, analyzing the heat transfer due to convective cooling. For that reason, first I'll click Model Wizard window. For doing solids, I'll just select 2D. In this, under heat transfer, I'll select heat transfer in solid HT, then click add. Our physics tree has been added, and then click study. Now under preset studies, select stationary and then click done. Now let it be the unit in meters. For giving the geometrical parameter, click geometry and under primitives choose rectangle, and in width give 0.6 and height give 1, and then press build all objects. Our object has been built. Then we have to give the physical parameters, so choose boundaries. Under boundaries click temperature and choose body 2. Then under T0 type 100 degrees Celsius. After this, again go to boundary and choose heat flux, and in heat flux choose boundary 3 and 4. Since I have mentioned already, we are using convective cooling, so click on convective heat flux. Now under H text field type 750, and under external temperature, that is TEXT field, type 0 degrees Celsius. Since our physical parameter is also ready, click the heat transfer in solids 1, scroll down to obtain temperature conductivity and give it as user defined. The temperature conductivity K, give it as 52 watt per meter Kelvin. Then right click mesh and press build all, so that our mesh is ready. Then again right click study and click compute. Our material has been computed, so here we will get our minimum temperature as 274 Kelvin and our maximum surface temperature as 373 Kelvin. Now for doing the point evaluation, click on results, choose cut point 2D, and x-axis I'll give it as 0.6 meter and y-axis I'll give it as 0.2 meters. Since I have to give point evaluation, click on point evaluation. In the data set, choose cut point 2D, since I have given the values of point evaluation in cut point 2D. Under unit, type degree Celsius for unit of temperature. Then click evaluate. For values of 0.6 x-axis and 0.2 y-axis, we have obtained our temperature as 18.279 degrees Celsius. Now for obtaining the output, under the result column choose temperature HT. This is one of our output. Here minimum temperature is given by 274 Kelvin and maximum temperature is given by 373 Kelvin. The other output is given by isothermal counters. This is the material of isothermal counters. I hope you guys have understood the program. If you guys have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. For more updates, please click the bell icon. As soon as we update any new video, it will be in your watch list. So thank you guys. Catch you up in next video. Thank you. Bye.